Did you hear that?
Hear what?
It sounded like a bird.
It wasn't.
Okay. Okay, no, I definitely heard something.
Why would there be a bird in here?
Let's go check it out.
Oh heavens.
Oh. Is that a bird?
Well,
He looks sick. He looks dazed. It looks like... It's just like he understood death. I think in this little bird, we can see the eyes of someone who for the first time in their life understands that they are going to die. He has looked out into the world at its toils and burdens, and those toils and burdens looked him back in the eye. He looked within himself, and he saw a flame that could not burn forever. A flame that must extinguish as the wax itself grows scarce.
And what's wrong with that, really? Who says you're not supposed to die? What makes dying such a bad idea? What makes it any worse than living? Not to say that death is better, or any more pressing. But is death not just as natural as life? When we were placed on this earth, we were each given our role, each given our place. But we went into it knowing that it would be taken from us. To die is not to lose, it's to conclude what we started.
I think perhaps this bird is nothing more than our inner child, first learning that all of this, the love, the beauty, our very breath, has a conclusion. In the embrace of this bird, we find the loss of our childhood. We find the embrace of our own end.
I can't see.
Me neither. Should we kill it?
No! It needs help. It needs water.
It needs something stronger. He's healed.
Run, little guy. Be free.